Hi dear students, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay,
Morning, sir.
uh, good morning. Okay, we'll
Good
start
morning,
the class
sir.
now. Okay, good morning. Okay, we'll start the class. See, a factorization method, completing the square method, and using quadratic formula. There are three types of solving a quadratic equations. Okay, so solving a quadratic equation by factorization method. Yesterday only I told you about how to factorize and factorization table I were given in the yesterday class only. Okay, solving by factorization method. Here they have given solve x square plus x minus 12 equal to 0. So here what is the middle term? Middle term is last term is minus. Last term is minus means it factors are one is plus and one is minus. It depends on the middle term. If the middle term is plus means greater factor has positive sign, smaller factor has negative sign. And also if last term is minus means middle term we have to increase. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಒನ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟೂ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ 12 ಬೇಕು, ಬರಲ್ಲ. 3 2 3 ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಬರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರಂಗೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. 3 2 6 ಬರಲ್ಲ. 4 3 12. ಎಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. 4 ನ ನಾವು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ತಗೋತೀವಿ? 3 ಗೆ. ಸೊ 4 minus 3 is again 1. Okay, so 4 3s are 12 plus 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. Like that we can factorize this one. See, x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12 equal to 0. So here group x square plus 4x separately and minus 3x minus 12 separately. In this group, in the first group, what is common? In the first group, x is common. So x into bracket of x plus 4. In this group, minus 3 is common. Minus 3 is taken common outside means x remain in the bracket. Here 4 remain in the bracket. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. Okay, so in this group, what is common? X plus 4 is common. Okay, x plus 4 is common. X plus 4 taken out means, see, x plus 4 taken out means what remain in the other bracket? X minus 3. X minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x plus 4 equal to 0 or x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 4 or x equal to 3 are the solutions, are the ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಇವನ್ನ x is equal to minus 4 or x equal to 3 are the solutions of the given equation by factorization method. This method is called as what? Factorization method. All of you learned this thing?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll move to next question. If you need means take the screenshot. Next question. Solve 6x square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. See here, if x square has a coefficient means we have to multiply the coefficient of x square, multiply the coefficient of x square to the last term. Okay, so what happens? What happens if you multiply the coefficient of x square to the last term? Then it is minus 12. Last term becomes what? Minus 12. So after factorization, if by splitting the middle term, multiplication should be minus 12 and addition is again minus 1. ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು? ಮೈನಸ್ 12 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೈರ್ ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು minus 12 means by splitting the middle term, last term is minus means one factor is plus and one factor is minus. It depends on the middle term. So middle term is minus means larger factor has negative sign and smaller factor as positive sign. So last term is minus means we have to increase the middle term and split it. So ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? Again 4 3s are 12, so we need 12 minus 4 plus 3, so minus 4 plus 3 again minus 1. Okay, like that we have to split the middle term for this question. See here, 6x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 2 equal to 0. 3x minus 4x is again minus x. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 3 4s are 12. Okay, right. So in these two group, so what is the thing common taken out? 3
X, sir.
here also we can take 3 x and x, so 3x is taken out common. See here, 3x is common in this group, so 3 2s are 6 means 2x is in the bracket, plus 3x is already taken out means nothing will remain, it means 1 is remain in the bracket. Okay, in these two, minus 2, here also minus 2 is there, minus 2 taken out, what will remain? 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So in this again you take 2x plus 1 common outside, what will remain in the bracket? 2x plus 1 taken out means 3x minus 2 is in the another bracket equal to 0. 2x plus 1 equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0. 2x plus 1 equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 1 and 3x is equal to 2. So x is equal to minus 1, this comes to the denominator, minus 1 by 2, or x is equal to 2 by 3. These are the solution for this equation, or roots of this equation, quadratic equation. Okay, take this screenshot. So ಇದನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಇದೆ, minus 1 ಇಂದ minus 2 into 1 minus 3 into 2 minus 4 into 3. 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ, ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ 4 3 is a minus 12, ಸೊ minus 4x plus 3x ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. Again if you add, that becomes minus 1x. Shall we move to next? Okay, so next question, see here. Here they have given 3x square minus 2 root 6 into x plus 2. So factor should be like this. So we have to multiply because x square has coefficient 3. So 3 2s are how much? 6. So plus 6 we have a factor. So middle term is what? Minus 2 into root 6x minus 2 into root 6x. So if you, there are last term is what? Last term is 6. So plus value, it means both factors are minus and both factors are plus. It depends on the middle term. Middle term is minus means both the factors are minus. Both the factors we have minus. Okay, both the factors are minus. So in the middle there is a term minus 2 root 6. We have to split the middle term within the value. So root minus 2 root 6x is there. May I take minus root 6 minus root 6? So minus into minus, again this becomes plus. So, okay, root 6 into root 6 is equal to root 36. So root 36 is how much? That is 6. So may I take this as, we split this minus 2 root 6 as root 6 root 6 minus root 6 minus root 6 becomes minus 2 root 6. Okay, again if we add the middle term means again we get the same term, that is minus 2 root 6. And if you multiply minus root 6 minus root 6, minus into minus plus root 6 into root 6 is root 36, that is again 6. Means multiplication gives 6 and addition again gives minus 2 root 6. So we have two factors, root 6 and root 6. See here, solution 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 equal to 0. So what is common in these two? Okay, so in both the cases what is common taken out? So root 6 can be written as root 3 into root 3 root 2. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6 again. Okay, so here 3 can be written as what? Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Root 9 is again 3. So this becomes, okay, root 3 into x. So root 3x is taken out, then root 3x is taken out means what will remain in the first bracket? Root 3x remains, minus in this if you take root 3 into root 6, if you take root 3 common outside, what will remain? Root 2. Okay, minus in this root 6, root 3 into root 2 is there. So if you take root 2 common outside, minus root 2 common outside, what will remain? So 2 becomes root 2 into root 2. So root 2, one root 2 remain in the bracket, one root 2 taken outside. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಳಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. 2 ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ರೂಟ್ 4 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 4. ರೂಟ್ 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಅದೇ 2ನೇ ಬಂತು ಕೊನೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಈ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ರೂಟ್ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 9 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So if you take one root 3 common outside means one root 3 remain in the bracket. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು ನಾ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ರೂಟ್ 3 ನೇ ಇದು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗೆದಿರೋದು ರೂಟ್ 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಇದು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ನೋ ರೂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರೂಟ್ 3. ಓಕೆ, separate. See here, so in the first bracket root 3x minus root 2, here also root 3x minus root 2 taken common outside, what will remain? Root 3x. Root 3x, this is not 3x, it is a root 3x. Okay, root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 2, here also root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. It means root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 2 equal to 0. Therefore, root 3x is equal to root 2. So x is equal to root 3 by root 2 by root 3. Root 2 by root 3. So is the answer. Take the screenshot. X value is root 2 by root 3. X value is root 2 by root 3. That were given in your textbook examples. You can see example number 5. Therefore, roots of this equation is x is equal to root 2 by root 3. Or you may write this as, you can take common root outside. So x is equal to root 2 divided by 3. Both roots are same. Square root of 2 by 3. Take the screenshot. We'll move to next question. Yes. Okay. So in exercise 10.2, so I will solve only one. Remaining, you can take the screenshot. Okay. Solution. So they have given x square minus 3x minus 10. So what is the last term? Minus 10. Okay. Minus 10. So then factors are one is plus and one is minus. It depends on middle term. Middle term is minus, means greater factor has minus sign, smaller factor has plus sign. Then we have to increase the middle term if last term is minus. So middle term 3 idudana increase ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 4 ones 4 minus 4 plus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ again minus 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 4 ones 4 ಬರಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. 5 2s ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? So minus 5 plus 2. If you multiply these two, means you will get minus 10. If you add minus 5 plus 2, means you will get minus 3. So we have two factors, minus 5 and plus 2. So x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. See, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. It means if you take the common these two things, so if you take x common outside, x minus 5 into bracket of plus 2. Here in the second term 2 is common, x minus 5 remain in the bracket. So in this x minus 5 is common taken out, x plus 2 remain in the bracket. See here, x minus 5 taken common outside. So x plus 2 remain in the bracket equal to 0. So x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 5 or x equal to minus 2. X equal to 5 or x equal to minus 2 are the answers. All of you understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
We'll move to next. We'll move to next question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take the screenshot. So next I will just showing a PPT. You take the screenshot and work on it, practice on it. So last term is minus and first term as coefficient 2. So 2 6 the 2 6 the 12. So minus 12 is the last term. Last term is what? Minus 12. Then factors are one is plus and one is minus. So it depends on the middle term. Middle term is plus means greater factor as plus sign, smaller factor as minus sign. So by splitting the middle term 1 ಇದೆ. So 1 ಅನ್ನೇ increase ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 2 1s are 2 ಬರಲ್ಲ. 3 2s are. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 3 plus 3 minus 2. Okay. Plus 3 minus 2 3 2s are 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 3s are 12 so plus 4 minus 3 becomes what 12 so 4 minus 3 is again plus 1 so we can have the factors 4 and minus 3 see factors are given here 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So further factorization, you will get the answer like this. Take the screenshot now. Okay, we'll move to next question. Root 3 into x square plus 7x plus 5 into root 2 equal to 0. So x square as coefficient root 2, multiply this with last term. So that is 5 root 2 into root 2. So what is this? 5 into root 4. So that is equal to 5 into root 4 is what? 2. That is 10. So last term enide plus 10 ide. Last term as positive means both the factors are minus or both the factors are plus. It depends on the middle term. So middle term is plus means both the factors are plus. Okay. Split the middle term within the okay because last term is plus means we have to split the middle term within that okay 7x ಅದನ್ನ decrease ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ 7 ಅನ್ನ 6 1 6 ones are 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 6 plus 1 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ರೆ so 5 2 5 plus 2 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 5 2s are 10 yes it is possible so 5x plus 2x is 10 okay see here solution. So root 2x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. This 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2. Okay. Right. Here 5 is common taken outside. See root 2 is taken outside. Okay. So root 2 taken outside into x, so 1x remain in the bracket, plus in this if you take 1 root 2 and x common outside means x not remain. Okay, 1 root 2 is remaining in the bracket. In the same way here also we taken 5 common outside, x remain in first term and root 2 remain in the second term. So in this again we have, so x plus root 2 is taken outside common as common, then what will remain in the bracket? Root 2x plus 5 will remain in the bracket. See, root x plus root 2 taken out, root 2x plus 5 in the bracket. So that is equal to x plus root 2 equal to 0 and root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus root 2 or root 2 into x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 5 divided by root 2. Let us take the screenshot. We'll move to the next question. So take the screenshot. I already explained so many examples. Just you take the screenshot. Okay. X is equal to 1 by 10 or x is equal to 1 by 10. So this was fifth question. I thought this was fifth question. Fourth question not solved, I think. If not solved means I will solve this one. Fourth question. 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Okay. So in this they have not solved the fourth question, that is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. So if you take LCM as 8, so what happens? 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. So if you multiply this 8 to with 0 means by cross multiplication they get 0. So 16x square minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. So first term as coefficient 16, multiply with last term, that is 16 plus 16. Last factor, that is last term as 16 value. So it depends on the middle term. If middle term is minus, both the factors are minus. Okay, both the factors are minus. So middle term is 8. We have to split the middle term within the value. So 8 becomes 4 4s are minus 4 into minus 4. So minus 4 minus 4 is what? 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus plus 16. Minus 4 minus 4 becomes minus 8. So 16x square minus 4x minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so take the group. In this first group, what is common? 4x is common, taken outside. What will remain? 4x remain in the bracket. In this 16x square, if I take 4x common, so 4 4s are 16, x into x is x square, so 4x is common, minus in the second bracket 4x is already taken outside, means 1 remain in the bracket. Bracket complete. If you take minus 1 common outside, so 4x minus 1 remain in the bracket. Okay, so take the screenshot till now. So 4x into bracket of 4x minus 1 minus 1 into bracket of 4x minus 1. So 4x minus 1 is common taken outside. What will remain in the another bracket? That is also 4x minus 1. Okay. All of you taken a screenshot?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is one more question that was not done by the presenter. So I solved this one. So this is fourth question. So this one is fifth. Okay. So 4x. So I will erase this thing. Okay, illé solve ಮಾಡೋಣ. So 4x minus 1 taken outside means 4x minus 1 remain in the bracket equal to 0. So 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So 4x equal to 1 or 4x equal to 1. So x equal to 1 by 4 or x equal to x equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Therefore, roots of the quadratic equation are x is equal to 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Take the screenshot of this. Okay. So second main question, solve the quadratic equation by completing the square method. So second type questions. So solve the remaining questions in exercise 10.2 yourself. If you don't know means we will solve later. Okay. So solving quadratic equation by completing the square method will solve in the next session, means tomorrow class. Okay. So today this much is enough. Right. Okay. Take care.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.